Hey everyone, and welcome back to Everything Tesla stock. Tesla's been through a series of ups and downs and is currently on a downward trend. The stock price has dropped several times in the previous weeks, with the numbers constantly being in the negative. But considering that Tesla stock is currently going for a low price, could buying the stock now help some people retire with gains that Tesla might see in the future? Well, this is no doubt based on the stock performance and how well Tesla is able to pull through the market challenges. Tesla has been a high market dominance. It has the infrastructure and market strategy that's needed to succeed in the EV industry, and this has reflected in the stock performance over the years. So supposing you invest in Tesla stock, given its market potential, how many shares do you need now to retire by 2027? Well, more on that later on in this video, but before we start, if you like this type of content, hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications to keep up to date on everything going on with Tesla. Tesla has had a period of dips, and it will most likely still have more. However, based on the stock potential, the dips are anticipated to be minimal. But the question is, can Tesla really reach a high price in 2027? While some analysis believes that Tesla is overvalued, its performance continues to give reason to believe otherwise. The EV company is partnered with other companies like Lucid, Rivian, and Neolak, and has also expanded into different markets to increase production and boost its market outreach. So whether Tesla's a good stock to buy, well, the numbers are going to lead us to believe that this could be a good time to buy the stock for the future. Tesla's performance has led to several bullish predictions from analysis, predictions as far as 2030. According to analysis, Wallet Investor, the stock is expected to be trading above $2,500 in 2025. Even big names like Cathie Wood believe that the stock is going to be over $3,000 by 2030. And based on the profile of these individuals, we can say that they might actually know something that could be big on the way for Tesla. These predictions, we believe, are coming after very careful observation of Tesla's stock performance and the future potential of the EV company. In the last 2 years, Tesla has increased its production and delivery of cars. It recently topped consensus estimates after the company delivered 308,600 vehicles last quarter. Tesla's car deliveries have surged by more than 1,100% over the last 5 years, and it is not slowing down. This shows that there is a higher demand for these cars, and based on the increased rate of expansion, the company's production capacity is expected to match up to its demand. Therefore, it's anticipated that this increase in the sale of cars will have a positive impact on Tesla's stock price, and possibly help it to reach a high price in 2027, which could bring massive profits that you can retire with. Retirement is a time every employee looks forward to, but only a few make the effort to stay financially strong after retirement. In fact, to keep your finances above average after you retire, you need a solid financial backing from lucrative investments. And investing in growth stocks could be highly profitable if you put your money into a high-value stock with good growth potential. So if you invest in a stock like Tesla, how many shares will you need to have in your portfolio to retire in 5 years' time? Let's do a little calculations here, shall we? According to a recent survey, an average person requires about $1.7 million to retire, whilst maintaining their standard of living. So, based on previous predictions on Tesla and the stock market's potential, say Tesla reaches $2,000 in 2027. It means that you're going to need to have 850 shares in Tesla now to potentially retire at that time. This is only going to be about $600,000 going by the current price of Tesla, and there could be a huge profit if Tesla lives up to this expectation, and we sure hope that it does. There are several exciting projects from Tesla that can potentially push the stock to a high price in the future. Also, the company has employed different growth strategies to improve its market value and increase finances. In the early days of Tesla, its CEO Elon Musk said that the goal of the business was majorly to build a sports car, use the money to build an affordable car, and use that money to build an even more affordable car while providing zero-emission electric power generation options. That's no doubt what's happening today, and Tesla has further advanced its technology and launched into AI, with so many more projects ongoing and several others still being developed. The recently unveiled humanoid robot, Optimus, is one of the major milestones for Tesla, which, if successful, could take on the world of artificial intelligence and bring it to a new level. Musk argued that the humanoid robot project could potentially be more significant than the vehicle business over time, and may even reduce the need for physical work. This could be very beneficial for industries, since they may eventually spend less on labor. Likewise, Tesla's Model 2 is another big project that Tesla bulls are very excited about. Musk has previously given hints on the possibility of a new Tesla car model, a small EV, but he's also said no more than that until 2020, when he revealed that the first model of the car will hopefully be released next year. Although there are no further details yet, Tesla bulls are keeping their ears to the ground for any positive news that may surface. That's not all. Tesla may just be a few months away from releasing its Cybertruck. Initially, it was set for production in 2021, but it got delayed because of supply issues for some of the needed parts. According to Musk, one of the issues that Tesla had was that they couldn't build enough 4680 battery cells for the Cybertruck. He also added that production will not begin until the Texas Gigafactory's begun production of the new Model Y. Luckily, work began in 2022, and Tesla enthusiasts expect that the Cybertruck is going to make its launch next year. Musk finally confirmed this when he revealed that Tesla will complete Cybertruck development before the end of this year, and is going to have it ready for production to begin in 2023. In a bid to provide cheap automobile solutions, Tesla's unveiled their plans to develop autonomous cabs. Tesla's robotaxi is designed to offer exciting features. The vehicle will be designed for different purposes and will provide the utmost comfort for passengers. This could be a very interesting project, not just for Tesla bulls, but also for anyone else who's a fan of exciting innovations. Coupled with the fact that the robotaxis are built to provide the lowest cost per mile of transport that's ever been experienced, and it could become the new face for commercial transport. In a recent interview with Chris Anderson, the head of TED, Musk revealed that Tesla runs on core technologies, which he described as the central nervous system of the company. He also illustrated a strategy to solve the problem of renewable energy. According to him, renewable energy like solar and wind can be backed up by batteries and then used for clean transport. However, he noted that the high battery needs of this project are going to be an issue. Coming from its CEO, we can say that if Tesla can successfully solve the mystery behind its renewable energy, it's going to be another step ahead of its competitors. Tesla's arguably made a name for itself in the industry, and from all indications, it's going to top the market for quite some time. So investigating and investing in a growth stock like Tesla could be a good retirement plan for 2027. Although a lot of people wish to retire without having to worry about money problems, only a few put in the effort to actually achieve it, and a large number of retirees do not even have a retirement plan. The employer-sponsored 401k plan and company plans used to be the only retirement options, but seeing that the directives have changed lately, it's obvious that these are no longer reliable. Even the previously adopted 4% rule has been affected by inflation, and contrary to what most people think, your needs do not reduce after you retire. Although some people may find that it does, it's not the same for everyone, and so there is a need to prepare for the unknown by making valuable investments. However, even though predictions and statistics claim that Tesla could still be worth a try, investing in any stock or business should be done entirely on personal conviction. If you are convinced that Tesla stock could be worth it, then why not? But if you're not, then there are other options to try. So based on your annual cost, it's going to basically determine how much Tesla you need to keep yourself financially stable after retirement. Let us know in the comment section down below what you think, and while you're still here, go ahead and click on one of these two videos on your screen. See you there.